Hello, kids! Today, we will do a fun experiment. Are you ready, kids? But what equipment needed for this experiment? Let's find out. I think we need a pencil for this experiment. So, this is the equipment that we need for the experiment. First, a measurement cup with full of water. Second, an empty glass. Last, a pencil. Since all the experimental equipment is complete, let's start now, kids. Start by pouring water into an empty glass container until it's full. Now, let's see something magical. Wow, that pencil looks broken. But it's really broken. This happened because of light. The light changes direction in water. That makes the pencil look bent. And it's called a refraction of light. So how was the experiment? Interesting, isn't it, kids? Yay! Now, you try at home. With equipment needed, measurement cup, a glass, a pencil. The method. First, fill the glass with water. Second, insert the pencil. Third, view from the side. So, how? Is your pencil magic too? Science is fun. We learn by trying. See you in the next experiment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, kids. Bye, kids.